The Kenmore washing machine OE error code indicates a problem with the drain system, preventing the machine from draining water used in a wash cycle. This code is triggered when the machine fails to fully drain within 10 minutes. Common causes of this error include a blocked drain pipe, which can prevent water from being pumped out effectively, and a kinked drain hose, which can hinder the removal of water from the machine. Additionally, stuck laundry, such as socks, can slow down draining and lead to the error code. To fix this issue, inspecting the drain pump is a good starting point. This involves unplugging the machine, removing the lower panel, and checking the drain pump filter for debris. The filter can be cleaned and any blockages removed. The drain hose should also be cleaned with warm, soapy water to remove any kinks. Using garment bags for small items can help prevent them from getting stuck and causing the error code. If these solutions are unsuccessful, it may be necessary to consult a professional technician for further assistance. The error code can be resolved by addressing the underlying issue, whether it's a blockage, kink, or other problem, and taking the necessary steps to ensure the drain system is functioning properly.